Hi guys, then we're gonna open this box. Open the first one.
Kuya, mag-aakyat. Bini ka.
Comes from... Kanino galing yan? Kalimutan mo.
This is a monster shop.
Wow, ang ganda.
Uy, sa akin na to.
Wow, ang ganda. Ako, hindi ko na alam kung nasan ito yung cellphone.
Wow, this is a new cooler.
Say thank you, Tita Vian.
Thank you, Tita Vian. Now let's open to the next one.
Tara, Ninang Gladys.
Ito mo. Mamaya yung mga Let's open this one. Alam ko yung
Na-ice cream
open
ko
this.
na. Na-ice cream ko.
Hmm?
Ice cream ko.
It's a water! Or I don't know what's this.
It comes from...
It's a water gun!
Kanino galing?
It is from...
Alam mo mga kuha.
Oh.
Basa mo,
Basa
basa mo.
mo.
Basa. Happy birthday.
Suzian. Happy birthday. Aliana.
Wow!
Thank you, Aliana, for this cool water gun. Moving to the next one.
Wow!
Wow, baril-baril
Oh,
yan.
this cool.
So cool.
Let's open the first
Read,
one.
read
but
first,
let's
read.
Huwag may tapon yung...
Simply. Happy 7th birthday. Listen, sa what they got for us? How do I please?
Sige, sirain mo.
We need a season.
No, no, ni. Doon sa harap mo sa buksan. Yan. Dito sa may tape, sa may pangalan. Dito sa mga pangalan.
I got it.
Okay.
They got. I see it already.
Wow! It's a remote control car!
It's a racing car. Cool.
Ang dami mo na namang toys. Dito na yan.
Oh, this.
Dito na yung tatambak ha.
Okay, now we have the next one. We have many more to start. This is only the beginning.
Wow!
Whoa.
Basa.
Now this Tulan Corby. Happy 7th birthday. Tita Bian. Okay, what did they
Tita
got?
Bigan again? Oh, ang dami naman ng Tita Bigan.
How do I open this again?
Don't bite. Hey! No need to
Open.
bite. Dito mo titingnan sa mga sa mga edge. Dito, look mo si Mami. Dito, madami
No
dito.
way. What is this?
Again,
Again,
oh
baril.
my goodness! You have a monster truck and a gun. Oh my goodness!
Let's see what is
Oh,
this.
say thank you, Tita Bigan.
Thank you, Tita Bian.
Dalawa na ang gift niya. Ano, ito at saka yan. Nakalimutan tanggalin.
Ah! Wait, what's this? Oh, just some knowing this stuff. Let's get So,
Sa Ninang Gladys.
whoa!
This one, okay, this... Wow, may battery pa.
No, that's... Hey, mommy, don't waste mine!
Sorry. Next, basa.
Happy birthday, Zian. Love. I
Love.
can read the button.
Let's see, love.
Love.
I can't read also. Let me see. Closer. Love. Rainida's family.
I need those family up. Let's see what they did.
water gun.
Kuya, come here.
Let's open it.
Yan.
Who's this? Booster? Wait a minute. Is this a rocket ship? No. What is this?
Wow, ang ganda.
It's a know what's that, but maybe some person standing there in a motorcycle, and I don't know what's that. Oh, thank you.
Coming from Rainida's family. Oh, it's astronaut.
Okay, let's see.
Let's proceed to the
Little
next
bit
one.
smaller.
Basa.
Let's see.
Uy, parang kalala ko kung kanino yan ah. Love natin yan.
Happy birthday, Zian. Love, Kuya Inigo Feya!
Wow! Baby Feya natin at Kuya Igo.
Is this for my parents or
Your cousins.
Galing.
Ito si Lola.
galing na?
Hindi patanggal yung plastic sa likod.
Ha?
Plastic. Plastic.
No way!
Aray.
It's a gun! But where's the bullet? Oh, there, right there.
Dami.
See?
This is...
Coming from Kuya Igo. Wow! It's a Nerf gun.
Now let's try for my pair. One pair.
Let's read. Let's read.
Let's see. Suzy bien Mendoza.
Saan galing? Aray.
Okay.
Sa McDo.
Teacher Shirley.
Teacher Shirley.
Teacher Shirley and
Patingin.
sa doon.
Teacher Shirley and Ma'am Baby Salome.
Okay. What they care so
Magkapatid sila pareho. Si
I'm
Ma'am
gonna
Baby.
open it. What? Oh, this is fun.
Yeah, supportive Lola. Ito po ang supportive Lola.
It was
Wow! Ganda
It's a
ng
polo
t-shirt.
shirt. It's very
Okay,
nice.
polo shirt.
Thank you, Teacher Shirley.
Thank you, Teacher Shirley. Moving
And
on
Ma'am
to
Baby.
Ma'am Baby.
and
Aray
Mom.
muna.
Baby.
Sa Ma'am Ninang.
Hindi muna.
Hayaan mo siya.
Lagi nang sipang
Basa. Kanino galing?
So, March 30. Happy 7th birthday. God bless you from Miel JM. Miel JM.
Oh, it's Kuya Agniel at si JM. Sina Ellen Miles.
Ellen?
Ba't tayo umiyak tayo?
Belen Mice.
Ano ba?
Belen Mice. Let's see. Belen Mice, what did you got?
Galit na galit.
Oh, definitely I know.
Ay, no, biting!
Kinagat. What?
A basketball? What?
Wow, Apol! Ang bait naman ni Kuya JM.
Wait, let's see.
Oh,
Okay, there's hanging. Nice. Good thing there's hanging. When I get pop. Oh, basketballer. Okay, we have more
Yung
gifts.
parang gusto ko yung malaki.
I wanna open.
Read
Oh,
first.
this is so top.
Basa.
Let's see. Let's
Naliligo ba
see.
yan?
Suzy Lambia. Ate
Prince
Princess.
and Kuya Nathan!
Kuya Nathan.
Wow! Say thank you muna dito.
Thank you, Ate
Ito ka pumunta.
Princess.
Ito.
Akin na
Thank
yung...
Di na mo titingnan sa side. Ayun. Hihilahin mo lang.
Okay,
Akin ang...
let's pull it up, guys.
Oh, sa baba, inay.
Oh,
Yan yung ma-enjoy ng bata.
Ito.
Bigay mo yung card sa Lola ha. Si Lola magiging...
no way.
Wow.
Oh, love na naman ni Mami
A
Michelle.
machine gun? No, it's not.
Bagay.
Mahal na mahal ka ni Ate Princess at ni Kuya Prince eh.
This really is so epic.
Ganda na rin.
Mas maganda pa ito.
Wow.
This is one of my best things.
Sabi sa mga kuya, thank you ate, thank you kuya.
Thank you, Ate and Kuya.
Favorite daw na ito.
Oh!
Basa ko kanino. Ay, galing ako kay Kuya Simon. Kay Kuya Simon yan galing.
There's no sign.
Oo, speechless si Kuya Simon. Kaya ganun.
Oh, this is my prayers of hand.
Ay,
Oh, ha.
lakas. Ay, lakas.
Hindi ko lang
Dahan-dahan.
nasayang.
Kasi ako yung pang birthdayhan. Paano yung birthdayhan? Yay! It's my pair of my
suot.
Okay.
Dami. Parang gusto ko na isuot
Now, let's-
sa'yo.
Let's open.
Mahal to, mahal din to.
Oh,
1,000 shekel to.
1,000 shekel daw.
Oh, it's my pair.
Wow, I like it. From teacher, Eunice.
Yeah, maybe.
Oy, ang ganda nito. Mahal din to. Malambot to eh.
That's for my sleeping, I think. Just
Dami niyang pajama. Dito ako natutuwa. Dito ako kinilig. Pajama! Kasi size ang 18 sa pajama.
Baya.
Ay, mahal to.
Mommy, I don't know who's
Basa.
Zian.
Zian from Kuya Von. Yung kapatid ka mo ni Kuya, ni ano.
Okay, let's go.
Bonyan, anak ni Tito.
I forgot his name.
Si Von.
Pinsan niya.
Wow, thank you. Sabi thank you dito.
Thank you,
Von. Kuya Von.
Bon.
Bon, sinatatawa ko dito.
Oh, Garfield.
Oh.
Garfield.
Now this is my first. No, last year. To begin. Happy 7th birthday. Love. To Tita one.
Ini.
Winnie, Ma'am Winnie, Teacher Winnie.
Teacher Winnie. Looks to the side and we open it. What do we get
Parang alam ko
here?
yan,
A pair.
Wow, ang ganda naman.
For basketball.
Wow, pantulog. Sleeping wear.
Yan.
Ang ganda.
Hold on.
Kinilig ako doon. May McDo pa tayo. Oh,
We don't need that.
short ka tayo.
Just wait. You need to open this leg hole. Another pair.
Wow, may dami yung pantulog.
I love CB.
Kanino to galing?
CB.
Sebi. Mara i-print.
Ah,
Anong laman yan?
let's see. It is free. It is from Zia. Happy 7th birthday. So, God bless. Love. To men. May.
Lola May.
Lola Mayo.
Kapatid ni Lola Shona. Ah, doon. Wow, very nice naman si Lola May.
That's cool.
Oh, may mga roses.
Dinosaurs. Ooh, so it will be scary in the future. Okay, so this our first down box or class. I don't know.
Go. Read.
So it's from Tuziambian. Happy 7th birthday. We love you. From Ate Ella and Miss Palala.
Pabila.
Pabila.
Alal. Wow.
Iron Man. Iron Man. Wait.
Wow, ang ganda naman. Ano nakalagay?
Iron Man.
Infinity Saga. The Infinity Saga. Pubuin mo.
Iron Man.
That's cool.
Mars.
Yeah, so this is cool. Okay, now let's open the small ones. Maybe to this or the secret. So let's open it.
Ready.
Set. Oh, it's just right there. What is this?
Wow, very nice
Spider-Man!
pantulog.
Spider-Man. Wait.
Pantulog, very
More.
nice.
And my brother or a pajama. I don't know.
Pajama, partner.
Sorry.
Lalagyan ng iyong uwan.
Oh, I got 4. What's this?
A pajama also.
Kanina yan.
Hindi kayo
Avengers.
mauubusan.
Cool. I love
Galing
Avengers.
to kanino? Kay Happy birthday, God bless you. Tita Eunice.
Tito
Tito Eunice is so mabait naman. Tito Eunice, thank you.
Okay. I have this. Open.
Kaling galing yan? Kay Ma'am V. Kay Ma'am V.
Open. Open.
Basahin mo na. Mabasa mo to?
Yeah.
Zian Bien.
Simeon,
Happy
happy 7th
7th
birthday.
Miss
God bless Miss B.
Miss V.
So, my birthday.
This really
Remove mo. Dahan-dahan lang. Excited ka?
Napakaswerte mo. Bless na bless ang bata ka.
Wow.
What do we get here?
Very nice naman. Thank you po. Size 10.
Now
Very
let's-
nice naman si Ma'am V.
Hey,
I like
Benji,
it.
if you watching this,
Thank you po.
you're my best friend. Okay, let's see. Hope this way. Wait. Benji, what did you got? What's this?
I like that.
I don't know what's this. Okay, I'll take it.
Wow, it's
More
Rice
sour
Krispy
things.
Kellogg's Original.
Oh, thank you. This
Wow, ang dami namang
sour
sweets.
punch.
Tapos yan, Bienla, Benji, and... Wow, dami naman bigay ni Benji na sweets. Sar. Punch.
I want some Skittles. What are they for them?
Ang dami ah.
Oh, si Kuya.
Oh, yeah.
Bait naman nila. Either bait kind naman sila.
Ang dami.
Benji, how many did you got? Bro, Benji, are you rich? Or you daddy's rich?
Oh, balik mo na dyan ulit.
Sweet tart.
Ang galing yan.
And now we have the vanity of my favorite.
Oh, it's
Ay, ang
time.
paborito mo. Kanain mo na sa nung nabibigay.
Oh, yeah.
Wala
Thank you,
ka
Benji.
nagtitira.
Thank
You're
you,
my
guys.
favorite. Classmate in the whole world.
Lagyan natin ganito.
Okay, so let's go. Okay, we have many stuff. Tomorrow, okay. Do you have one?
Yari muna to. Yeah, kanino galing yan?
Oh, this is a heavy book. Whoa. Just kidding, sir.
Oh, baka mabasagin.
Oh, mababasagin.
sige. Careful lang, careful.
Sir, so, oh wait.
Oh, bigay mo sa lala yung
I
tarjeta.
just
Ah, basa.
to Zian.
Happy birthday.
Happy 7th birthday from Ninong Ruby.
Oh my goodness!
Nakakabully siya. Nagbully siya sa akin. PS5 ba tayo? Hindi oh.
Babasagin eh. Ano kaya yan?
Oh, grass? It's a grass.
I guess it's a nice toy. Wow! Ano yan?
Oh, this
Ito to, mas maglalaro kayo. It's a nice game!
yeah, cool.
Wow, very nice naman po. Thank you po, Nina. Pwede tayo maglaro niyan. Can you hit the target? Can you hit the target? It's a toss game. It's nice. Kailangan mo yung may kalaro dyan kay ni tatay.
Ah,
Sabi sa Ninong.
thank you, Ninang Ruiz. So now we have little more to go or more to go.
May
I
dandahan, may
think we have more
stapler
to
yan.
do.
May stapler ha?
May stapler. Pangalan ang kamay.
What's that? Wow!
Another
Ang daming OOTD na
Tingnan mo
naman.
kung
Ang
saan
dami
galing.
naman nilang
Wala
regalo
nang
sa
pangalan.
atin. Very
Oh,
nice.
okay. This,
Walang pangalan.
I think. Oh, yeah. Wait.
Pangalan. Wala din ang pangalan.
Okay lang.
What's this?
Meron na rin pangalan pala, oh. Nasa loob.
What's this?
Isa-isahin mo lang, bunso. Wow, ang dami namang uniform ni Kuya. It's very nice. Ang daming na kailangan. Kanino galing? Pasilip naman si mami kung kanino galing.
Okay.
Ang ganda
we
eh.
have-
Ang ganda to. Gusto ko to. Gusto ko to mga damit.
Yan o.
Ninang Gladys natin! Galing talaga si Ninang Gladys. Ninang Gladys. Gladys siya.
Happiest
Sa amin namin paper bag. Very nice.
from Ninong Sonny.
Oy, wala naman si Nilisa. Pinadala niya kay Ma'am Cora.
Oh, Sonny. Uy,
Hold on! Teacher Jaja pala to galing.
hold on.
Print of
Hold
Teacher Jaja.
on. Hold
Uy,
on.
ang gusto.
What
Ano yun?
is this?
It's a pajama. Thank you, guys.
Okay,
Mahal to,
Teacher
mahal.
Jaja just
Mahal nga yan.
give me
Bigyan din ako sa ng dalawang biyana.
this pajama. Wait,
Binasa ba yung message ni Teacher Ja?
wait.
Oo, kailangan mo daw yun. Ano nakalagay?
It says, Ziambie, happy 7th birthday. Ah!
Oh, ginawa ka niya ng ref magnet.
Oh, this
Personalized ref magnet.
Oh, what's this?
Dalawa eh. Kanino kaya yung isa? Thank you, Teacher
Let's
Jaja.
open it.
So sweet.
This from Scarlett, I think.
Sana nga. Hindi.
And
Wow, it's from
Scarlett.
Scarlett. Ito yung parang tuman-tuma pag niloloko sa'yo eh. Kita ko yung reaction ni Scarlett. eh.
Open sesame. What's this?
It's Ninang Glessy. Wow! I like that. That's
It's-
Mommy's game. Uy, ang daming board games.
Oh.
Pwede tayo maglaro niyan dito pag naiinip.
Okay,
Favorite
this
siya ni Mami.
Okay, Rob.
Thank you po. Say thank you po dito.
Thank you po.
Ang dami mo nang lalaroin. Naku, Diyos ko po.
3 left.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Natin ng mga...
now-
Oh, meron pa isa po.
Now we have 4.
What's
And
inside?
this is a little mixture.
Yeah, pwede nga kay kuya, malaki eh.
Siyempre. Isa
Wow,
sila.
ganda oh.
Wow! Another
It's a baby
car!
monster truck.
It's coming from Nami!
Nami.
Bigay ni Nami.
Thank you,
Yung
Nami.
mababait niyang kaklase. Yung mababait na bata.
Okay, now this is a real one.
Oops, it's Blake ah.
Kay kuya.
I don't know who she is.
Kanina kaya yun? Hindi natin ano.
Sorry, sorry, whoever doesn't have, don't know. I don't know.
Wow, lakas naman ito. Another water blaster. That's really nice. Itigisa na kayo.
I will attack you, tatay.
If you have some friends to come over, you can...
Now we have
here.
this.
Woo! Smile,
Now-
smile, smile, smile. Pakita mo, dalawa, hawak.
This
Other
is
one.
perfect.
Oh, hawakan mo dito sa kabila.
This is perfect.
1, 2, 3. Click. Okay, very
This
nice.
is so perfect because my tatay will battle in a water gun.
One for Kuya and one for Kuya and one for Sian.
Tatay maglalaban
Careful,
sa
baka
water
maano ng
gun.
stapler.
What do we got here? It's tara!
Oh, basa ang message.
From
Thank you po. Sa SM siya bumili na
Happy 7 CM. God bless you. Love, Lola Rory.
Oh, Ninang Lori, Lola Lori.
Okay.
Very good. Thank you po.
Now,
There is another one. Oops.
this,
But not the least.
this way. Maybe this one more. No?
Wala na siya.
The red one.
Oh, meron pa palang last.
Oh, now we have 2 more.
Yes.
Okay,
Let's
go
read.
one. Go one.
Ah, I forgot. Okay, sige,
Wait.
okay.
Maybe it's another one.
Oh, basa.
The water splash. No, wait. No.
Oh, wow, it's a... We have this kind of gun in our house.
Yeah.
It's
Maybe they want to another one. So, yeah, I know this one.
Wow, dahil mo na toys na naman. Aha.
The
Thank
last,
you. Sabi mo
say
ko.
thank you.
Kanina naman nagdagbigay.
Who just give me this. But on to our final gift.
Ang dami.
Let's see. Let's see.
Ano yung galing yun?
Wala siyang message. Basahin mo. Zian, happy birthday from Lolo Nelson! Tingnan natin kung anong binigay ng Lolo
Oh, wait.
Nelson.
There's a letter. No. Wait. It's a piano.
Oh, it's electronic keyboard! It's nice.
Okay.
Yun ang kwan eh, nagdadasal yan, nakapipit.
Let's go.
Yan. Patugtugin mo.
And let's see if we come out with the battery.
Sorry. Takot na ito.
Sa lahat yan yata nagustuhan mo, binuksan mo eh.
Kaya nga. Oh, sige, go.
There's a battery.
May battery.
Open mo.
Battery dyan.
There's no battery.
You want to open na? Lagyan natin ng battery.
Battery na sa
Yes.
atin.
Sige. Mamaya lalagyan natin ng battery.
Yan, may battery.
Ding, 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 ding.
Naalala mo yung 6th birthday mo ah.
Ding, 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 ding. Oo, naalala ko yun. Ding, 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 ding. Yes,
Ah, lagyan natin. Baka masira. Lalagyan natin ng battery.
Lalagyan ng
mamaya.
battery.
Thank you guys for seeing my video. See you into the next gift birthday.
Oh.
Bye-bye!
7 ka na, technically. Thank you, sir. Thank you sa lahat.
Thank you so much for these lovely gifts. I like them.
All.
Oh. It was a nice